What's really going on? Bitcoin, crypto, and currency. We're looking at XRP price action after experiencing some bullish interaction with 89 cents. We have prices making its way up to some potential areas of resistance and sell pressure present. We do have one of our chosen 3 Robo advisors becoming bullish on price action, suggesting upside may be ahead for us. If we look back, when we saw 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors confirm bullish upside around 64 cents, we saw price action rise up to 120% in gains over the following 41 days, easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into over $20,000 just by sitting around looking at it. And if you didn't take profit above, at, or around that swing high, we have 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors becoming bearish on price action around $1.12, suggesting you close your position, allowing you to capitalize on 74% ROI with EngineeringRobo's buy and now sell suggestions. And so EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so it is key to pick the best 3 Robo advisors that suit your trading strategy. And once 2 of your chosen 3 Robo advisors become bullish or bearish, you can better use that to determine your entries and exits. And so right now, after experiencing some short-term downside here, when 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors became bearish, we saw up to 22% in downside. Currently, technically, still over 7% down since those sell suggestions, although we do have 1 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors becoming bullish again, which is a good sign for us. However, we need 2. And at the moment, I do believe technically we may be interacting with some potential resistance and sell pressure present near a zone that gave us a hard time all throughout the kind of beginning of September that caused this break downward here. We have $1.03 as a key level that we should consider moving forward, which is currently the 0.5 Fibonacci level. Price action interacting with that moving forward is going to be very significant for us. In addition to a key level suggested near this phase of consolidation here, $1.09 has proven to give us a hard time kind of in this area and could cause some continued sideways or another break downward. Further interaction with support would be more bullish confirmations for me to be comfortably accumulating around current levels. I would like to see $1.03 confirmed as support with daily candles opening and closing above that level. I would also like to see $1.09 confirmed as potential support as well. So I do believe we're in the middle of a very key level here that may be resistance for us. And once we have conquered it and confirmed it as support, we can start comfortably accumulating XRP at current levels again. I do believe the uptrend will very much continue, and we are likely to make our way to my immediate short-term target at $1.55, which is going to be a significant level of resistance for us that we may interact with. I believe in the immediate short term, I would like further solidification of these levels here before we can start comfortably accumulating. Only 1 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors is bullish, so we're waiting for a second confirmation of that. And in my opinion, I would like further confirmations of support, which is either a break upward and a retest downward of either of these key levels or continued sideways above $1.03. Let me know where you think price action will go down in the comment section below, but we're going to swap over to SLP against USDT, Smooth Love Potion coin price action, making its way upward from some very bullish interaction with technical support here. We do see price action is attempting to come out of this, rather stretched out downtrend when we see 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors suggest bearish price action at 24 cents at the end of July of this year. We experienced up to 76% in downside over the following 53 days after EngineeringRobo became bearish. So if you took profit at that level, you were saved, in up to 77% in downside. Price action currently experiencing a very bullish interaction with 6 cents, a key area of technical support that we've had a bounce off of back at the end of May here. Interaction with that level again is a good sign of bullish support present around current levels. I do suggest another key level present around 8 cents here, 0.0816, maybe our next area of support for us. Price action making this very bullish break upward here through that potential resistance, which, like I said, may now need to be confirmed as support. As you can see, 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors are attempting to become bullish on price action with today's candle, which technically has not closed yet. So we will need today's candle to close to confirm these buy signals. And so once that has occurred, and if these buy signals remain, we can consider that 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors bullish on price action, and we can get bullish on the uptrend moving forward, and we can start comfortably accumulating around current levels. I do believe accumulating right now may be subject to the highest chances of short-term downside, in my personal opinion, as we may be looking to interact with support from this, very bullish short-term upside. I would like these robo advisors to, print their buy signals before I can start comfortably accumulating. And then once further support is solidified, I'm looking for support above 8 cents in my opinion. Once that is further solidified, I can start comfortably accumulating as well. At the moment, I'm very bullish on price action. I suspect we will very much make our way up to my short-term target here at 13 cents. If you were to buy around my support here at at around 8 cents, and if you were to sell at my resistance, that would allow you to capitalize on 65% ROI. And so I do believe that would be a very bullish trade to make once support is confirmed. However, right now we're looking for those confirmations. I want these robo advisors to print their buy signals, and I want further interaction with 8 cents as support. Let me know in the comment section down below where you think price action is going to go. Are you buying at current levels? What are you doing with your bags if you have them? Now, swapping over to DOGE, Dogecoin against USDT, price action interacting with potential support present around 20 cents, a technical key area of buy pressure for us as we see, bullish demand for Dogecoin come into play. Currently making our way toward potential resistance present near 28 cents, which is the 0.382 FIBA Bugatti level. Price action may interact with that kind of moving forward before we can allow the uptrend to comfortably continue. I believe once we've further solidified support at 20 cents, we will likely make our way up to my short-term target at 27 cents. Once we have some robo advisors become bullish again on price action, we can suspect the uptrend will have kind of more longevity to it, and we can start comfortably accumulating. At the moment, I believe further confirmations of support are necessary. And so we have actually experienced up to what appears to be 20% in downside over the following 20 days after EngineeringRobo suggested bearish price action. And as we can see, we are technically still currently 3% down since those sell suggestions. And with those currently still in play, I'm looking for further confirmations of support, in my personal opinion, before I can start comfortably accumulating. I do believe Dogecoin very much wants to continue its uptrend, and there is a lot of bullish buy pressure and demand for Doge. However, at the moment, I'm looking for further technical confirmations and some robo advisors to become bullish again before I can start comfortably accumulating. Looking out for resistance present around 28 cents and support present around 20 cents. Let me know what you're doing with your Doge down in the comment section below. But we're going to swap over to Ethereum ETH against USDT, price action currently interacting with potential resistance and sell pressure present near the 0.786 FIBA Lamborghini level, $3,455, acting as sell pressure present for Ethereum at the moment. We do see that there's lots of buy pressure and demand for Ethereum present based on the type of candle currently forming. I do believe the fundamental buy pressure and demand for Ethereum is definitely very high and will very much propel us forward through previous all-time highs, perhaps near $5,600 per Ethereum before any sort of long-term downside is to be expected. However, in the immediate short term here, I'm looking for continued solidification of $3,455 as support before I can start comfortably accumulating at current levels, because I believe we are presently near resistance. A stronger area of support for us is going to be $2,975, a target that we may pull back to, and it's not impossible to see interaction with moving forward for us in the immediate short term. And I can still be very bullish on price action upon interacting with that level down there. We've experienced a very bullish interaction with the 0.618 FIBA Lamborghini level, $2,735, acting as support for us. A breakthrough this what appears to be previous resistance at $29.75 would be very bullish for us moving forward if we can confirm that as support. At the moment, we do have one of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish on price action again on the 2nd of October, so that's going to be another bullish confirmation of upside and buy pressure present. However, we need 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors to become bullish before making an entry or exit. We've already experienced up to 84% in upside in just over a month with EngineeringRobo's buy signals. And if you didn't take profit above, at, or around that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 57% in gains if you sold around $3,441 on the 7th of September when EngineeringRobo suggested bearish short-term downside. After those sell signals came into play, we did end up experiencing up to 22% in downside over the following 2 weeks, currently returning to those levels where we saw those sell signals. Now, one of our chosen robo advisors is bullish, so I do believe the momentum is changing here. Currently, I would like further solidification of some key technical levels before I can start comfortably accumulating. At the moment, we are currently interacting with what appears to be resistance, in my opinion. Let me know where you think Ethereum's going to go. when we swap over to Bitcoin, crypto, the currency, we're making our way above previous resistance at $48,000 per Bitcoin. I would like that confirmed as support, and interaction with that level as support would be very bullish for us moving forward. I suspect another key area of resistance is present near $51,784 per Bitcoin. The 0.786 Fibonacci Lamborghini level could be sell pressure for us. These EngineeringRobo buy signals are looking very bullish as well. We have the buy 2 and buy 4 coming into play on the 1st of October here, and then just a few days later with today's candle, we have the moon signal coming into play as well. And if that signal were to remain when today's candle closes, we have all 3 of our chosen robo advisors bullish on price action, which does suggest the uptrend will very much continue, and we can get very bullish on the coming upside in the near future here. I suspect easily a 6-figure Bitcoin before any sort of long-term downside is to be expected. $122,000 per Bitcoin is going to be my sort of target here for the coming months before I suspect any sort of bear market, if you will. At the moment, we're looking very bullish through this phase of sideways in accumulation. EngineeringRobo becoming bullish on price action as we find our way through resistance. I would like that confirmed as technical support moving forward before I can start comfortably accumulating. In my opinion, there's never a bad time to buy Bitcoin, only better times. Right now, we're looking at perhaps some of the best times to be buying Bitcoin before we see those elusive figures. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. What are your thoughts on the crypto sphere here? Are you accumulating? Are you selling? Are you trading? Are you holding? Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below, and tune in for the next one.